The forecast is looking pretty good, mostly sunny conditions, a little bit warm, but we are going to be tracking a nice cool down as we go throughout the week this week as a series of cold fronts move on through. But at least for today, we are talking about unseasonably warm conditions, and for some, we are getting close to record heat. In Leesburg today, your record is 87 degrees. We are going to be at 86 degrees. So it's going to be warm outside for Leesburg, near record heat. For Orlando, our record is 93. Not quite that hot, but still warm. Our average high is 79, and we will be at 86 today. But by Friday, we'll drop down to 79 degrees as our second front moves on through Thursday night into Friday morning. First front right now is way up to the north. We have some showers and some thunderstorms for parts of the northern Gulf Coast, but here in Central Florida, we're dry, we're mostly clear, a few clouds with temperatures into the 60s and 70s. Warmest spot at the moment is in Melbourne at 73. Coolest spot is in Ocala at 66 degrees. Now, at the moment, I'm tracking mostly clear conditions here along Daytona Beach, but some fog is trying to develop. We're now reporting about a 7-mile visibility, but in Palm Coast now less than a 2-mile visibility, and we are at a 2-mile visibility out in Ocala. So I'm watching for some fog this morning, otherwise mostly clear conditions as you get the kids ready for school, and mild by the time you pick them up, warm with an isolated shower or two. And in fact, from now all the way until 6 o'clock, there is that isolated potential for a shower or two. But again, most of us today are going to be on the drier side with temperatures around 83 to 87 degrees. As we look towards tomorrow, still warm, still sunny. Weak front slides on in tomorrow afternoon, bringing in more comfortable air for Wednesday. Then by Wednesday, we get our next front setting up along the northern Gulf Coast, bringing in showers and thunderstorms there. Our Wednesday should be mostly sunny, dry, and comfortable. And then by Thursday, the front gets closer, but it's actually not until about Thursday night into Friday morning that the front moves on in, and that will bring in a few isolated showers for Friday morning, drying out by the afternoon. So from that first front, it'll take us from the humid category today and tomorrow to the pleasant category Wednesday and Thursday, and then certainly lower humidity as we look towards Friday and the weekend. Speaking of Friday, it's definitely going to be cooler with morning temperatures in the low and mid 60s, but we actually get even cooler for Saturday and Sunday morning with those morning temperatures in the low 60s, plenty of upper 50s. Technically, though, that's still above our normal low temperature of 59 degrees, but it's just going to be a big change from what we have at the moment, from mild and comfortable air this morning to much cooler for the weekend. Saturday, Sunday, plenty of sunshine with our highs in the upper 70s and low 80s.